Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am sharing some tips for maintaining an effortless style. This is a part 2 to a video I done back in January, so I'll leave that link below. Number 1 is to invest in timeless jewellery. So recently PG Paula, a brand that I love, reached out and asked me to pick out some of my favourite pieces so that we could work together, so I thought I would unbox them here as they are the perfect fit for the kind of jewellery that I think is worth investing in. First up, I'm most excited about this necklace. It is literally perfect for what I wanted. I really felt like I wanted some dainty everyday pieces, but also that could layer really easily. This is one of their best sellers and it's no doubt why. It's just the perfect piece. They have all of the initials obviously, and I just think it's super special, dainty, wearable. It's just versatile, and that is the kind of piece that I wanted. I wanted versatile everyday pieces, but you could also layer them. Honestly, such a perfect piece. I am literally obsessed. Because when I'm talking about investing in pieces, it's to invest in pieces that are super versatile and can transform your looks. You want the jewellery that you have in your jewellery box to elevate your looks, to pull everything together. I feel like jewellery just adds like a depth and a fun, like unique twist on it, like your timeless capsule wardrobe pieces. And like these rings that they sent me absolutely do that. They are statement, like this one here is stackable. I love that, but you can also wear them separately, so it's super versatile and also looks great against just like a black t-shirt, pulls everything together, looks amazing. But yeah, this one also unique, simple but timeless pieces, but also like they pack a punch. You look at that and you think, oh gosh, that's gorgeous, statement, but it's also timeless. These are the things that versatility and quality. This will help maintain your simple everyday capsule wardrobe and just give it something unique and fun. So one of my wardrobe focuses for this year was to completely overhaul my jewellery box, and I think that these pieces just fit perfectly in it. I have got rid of the ones that just sit there all year and are not great quality and unused, and I've got these versatile, wearable, everyday pieces, but also they're a statement at the same time. So they're just perfect, and I'm so happy with them. I'm so grateful to PD Pella for working on this with me, and also super grateful because they gave me a discount code, and it is Lucy15. I'll leave it in the description box and also a link to all the pieces below. But yeah, please have a look at their site, and yeah, just they have so many great pieces, and you can invest in some classics that will help elevate your timeless capsule wardrobe as well. That is so key. I feel like just simple, unique, everyday wearable pieces that you can wear and they just pull your looks together. It makes such a difference. It was one of my main focuses for this year, and I'm so happy with these pieces. So yeah, I'll leave everything linked below, and discount code is Lucy15. So tip number 2 is the 3 colour rule. So when dressing, I want to try and stay within this. So like obviously when you're using your high quality basics to get dressed, basically try and have no more than 3 colours or tones. I think it just kind of pulls everything together. It makes your looks look way more cohesive, and there's almost like a structure to it, but it still keeps the flow, if that makes sense. I love to do it with looks like this. So obviously here I'm wearing the white bottoms, and then sometimes I would wear a white top and then a black blazer, and then say like my black Converse. But here I've done it like this. But sometimes that kind of colour blocky, especially with the black and white, can get a little bit boring. So I've added this belt in, so like a tan. Obviously it adds, like this colour adds warmth to the look, which also then adds depth, but also the texture helps too of the belt. But so when I'm doing a look like this, I would then try and stick to like within that kind of brown tan. So my accessories would be like my tan bag and then maybe white sneakers, just so it's kind of cohesive still. But yeah, this is another way that I do it, would be more tonal. So obviously, you know me, I love my neutrals. But so obviously here it's kind of like off-white, bright white, and then like a kind of cream. And I love this. I just feel like it flows so well, and then it also makes the jacket stand out because it's got like those beautiful buttons, but then because I've got the jewellery on, it like pulls it together, the gold pieces and the gold buttons. I just feel like it doesn't take away from that, it just helps it to stand out. But yeah, obviously there are always exceptions, but I feel like it's such a great rule to just keep in mind for everyday dressing to help you stay within that effortlessly chic style. So tip number 3 is taking care of your pieces. Now this might seem obvious, but most people don't do this. So when you're investing, obviously a lot of money in quality pieces like this here, this jumper is like a high cashmere blend, so you obviously want to take care of it. So obviously like steaming, dry cleaning, correct storage. You should fold jumpers like this, so that they keep their shape. But something that I got recently is this fabric shaver, and I had to share it. I don't know why I've not got one of these sooner. It is a game changer. Honestly, I've used it on all of my knitwear wool coats, and also like I've got pillows and like wool pillows in my house, like cushions, used it on that. Amazing. Such a great piece. I'll leave it linked below. So yeah, I hope that you found some of these tips helpful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to thank PD Pilot again for sponsoring this video. And please don't forget to check out their pieces below, and discount code Lucy15 will also be in the description box. Bye!